Nicolai used to be the terror of the neighborhood. I used to be completely terrified walking him because he had such dog aggression, and I was really stressed out. And now I can take him on a walk. We're both calm, we're both relaxed. I feel completely under control. He's looking at me. He's taking his cues from me. I feel really confident. I never feel like I'm, trapped in a situation where I can't get out of it. I know exactly how to control him. And just overall, he's just a really changed dog. Relaxed. We enjoy our walks, so it's fun now. It's no longer terrifying. So, thank you very much. You guys really did an amazing job. Really helped.
That's great.
Really calm and really relaxed on our walks.
Love it.
At first I thought we were going to have to really modify our expectations, not get too hopeful just so that he wasn't going to completely attack another dog. That was my only goal, and now I had no idea we could actually have such a calm and relaxed relationship.
Right, and you walk by other dogs.
Walk by other dogs, no problem.